guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we're going to do something different, something we've never tried in this YouTube channel. So maybe once you were young, there's something you wanted to tell your younger self, something that maybe you'll advise them to rectify it before they grow to the person that you are right now. So here I am, and I'm going to write a letter to my younger self. I've already written it. I just want to read it to you guys. Acha nitafute place ya kukaa. Acha nitafute place ya kukaa so that I may read this letter with you guys. So this is the letter. Acheni tusome pamoja. This is the letter. Dear younger self, as I write this letter to you, I can't help but feel your reflection within. Little girl, full of dreams, ambitions, and uncertainties. These are the things that I would like to share with you, not to change your path, but to advise and encourage you. Going to high school full of big girls, not knowing what is awaiting you. All I would tell you is don't let anyone or anything let you down. Hey, we're growing and hating ourselves. It will not end, but we will work on it. We are hurt and even get how to make friends, but worst is we never feel like we are enough. My advice will be embrace yourself, learn from your mistakes, and keep on pushing forward. You will go through a lot of things that will turn you different. We will fall in love a lot, get heartbroken, and even notice some different things about us. Not something bad, okay? Getting your heart broken is normal, so need not to worry. We will even break into tears and anxiety, feel like hurting yourself. I would advise to have someone to share this with. We will lose most of the people that we thought are forever in our lives, but it's okay, girl. Embrace change. Life is a series of transitions, and each presents new opportunities for growth. It can lead to remarkable experiences and discoveries. Follow your interests, explore your creativity, and never settle for less. Never. Lastly, life is a journey filled with twists and turns. Still discovering ourselves, take time in it and learn to love yourself more. Right now, we love TikTok and we're known as Pretty Kate. I would like to tell you to embrace the changes, celebrate victories, and never lose sight of who you are and what you're capable of achieving. Love you, little. So, guys, we will have to end it there. And if you liked it, comment and share the live.
Save what?
Comment and share the content. I really appreciate you guys. I love you so much. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Turn on your notification and subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.